please put your hands together for Deborah and Matt. This was a dress rehearsal. Our show actually starts tomorrow. They just arrived last night, so they'll be practicing this morning. And tomorrow you can see them at 12:30 and of course 6 p.m. from Tuesday right through to Sunday for the next 4 weeks. Yes, right up to Christmas Eve here. So thank you very much to our performers, and we'll say goodbye to them because they need to have a bit of a rest. And you can come back tomorrow and see us all here again.